lick number 8. Now this one takes all the 16th notes in the measure that we've figured out so far. You're going to use all of them. And this is what I call my freight train method. It just sounds like a choo-choo train. The faster you go, I'll play it without the drum machine. You'll see what I'm talking about. Nobody needs to be playing but you. But it's based on lick number 2, using your left hand slapping. And then you do, which we already know about. And then we do what we did on the other lick before, which is. So all together it sounds like. Now this is real hard to play fast. I'll do it at 110 for you. 1, 2, 3, and. And this will really drive a band. So this is the kind of licks that I really like to play a lot. We're going to play a more complicated version in a minute. I'll speed this up and you get the general idea of when you hit a band with this, they're going to look at you and go, what? But they'll like it. It's 132. You can see after the drummer dropped out my drum machine, how it just works by itself. You don't need anybody else around. That's the hippest thing about this style. It's very complicated. You have to have somebody sit down and teach you just like I did, because there's so many little things that are going on that you really can't tell until you slow the whole thing down. So it means that lick number 1, you got to get it down, lick number 2 especially, before this thing will work. And you're going to get nice little calluses and blisters on your hand, you know, and it's going to be rather painful. You know, if you're a weightlifter, you want to start lifting weights, do things to get your upper arm, your biceps, because this stuff is real hard on your arms, and you'll feel it, especially if you're playing all night this kind of material. It'll really build up your arm strength. But if you can do lots of practicing, practice fast. Once you get these licks, practice them real fast. They'll really build up strength to where when you're playing them slow, like, you'll be really able to nail these things. Okay, we're going on to lick number 9.